Okay guys, just a weekly review of the LTs. I'm going to try and do these every week now. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a short video and it's just going to show you what's happened on the LT charts, and you know what to look for in future. Obviously I'm not going to go into how you read momentum, that's in the LT video. You can always ask MT for that. Okay, so right, I'm going to use two examples today and show you a couple of other tips as well. Okay, so we're going to use the UJ as the prime first example. Alright, so this is the UJ weekly chart and the UJ daily chart. Okay, so first of all, I've just got to point something out to you. This you can see quite clearly is a huge downtrend. Alright, yes, there's a red, yellow, pink here. That did its job. It did its job. Okay, against the trend, against a very strong trend. So I'm just going to show you what happened here. This red, yellow, pink shoved price up here. This was 3 weeks ago. Okay, now the candle closed there. The following week it opened at the top of the red candle there, as you can see the solid part, and then you can't really see, but there is a wick going up, and it touched the orange line and shot down. Okay, again the candle closed here last week. This week the candle opened here. We didn't have this red down, just ignore that red down for now. The candle opened here and then price went up again, touched the orange line. Now I'll just show you where that is. This is Thursday, this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, right? So that's what happened there. That was the Monday. Price went up, and as you can see there, if you pulled that across your BB band, it's virtually touching it. Okay, and that's where it was on the orange line. So it's hit the orange line and it's reacted, and that was the candle there of Tuesday. So let's say, for instance, you didn't take that because there was no signal on the Tuesday candle, so you didn't take that, but on the Wednesday candle daily, look at that, right? And I can assure you guys that the whole move was just short of 200 pips. Okay, so basically you touched the orange line and then you've got a correlating daily signal down with it, and a near 200 pip move in 2 days, 3 days really if you consider this candle as well, but you would have made 150 in a couple of days. Okay, so that's the first example. Second example I want to give, oops, I'll just get it down here, is the EJ, which is in the bottom right hand corner again, weekly, and the daily above there. So I'll just get in a bit closer again. Right, the same thing happened here. You had 3 weeks ago, you had this, you know, against the trend, weekly red, pink, or whatever it is. You can quite clearly see it's a big downtrend, and it come up here, pierced the line, and then shot down again. This week the candle opened at the top of the solid part of the candle there, and I'm not sure if you can see the wick, but there's a huge wick going up there. Right, ignore the red again because that wasn't there when you should have taken the trade. And let's correlate it with the dailies here. Just move this down a bit. Right, so that's Thursday, that's Wednesday, that's Tuesday, that's Monday. You can see there that the candle opened at the base, at the top of the red candle there, and look at the wick, it shot right up. Now what you can't see so clearly is that this BB band here is very level with the top of that wick. Okay, which is basically the orange line on the weekly. Okay, right, so anyway, that candle shot back down on Monday. Tuesday it's gone up again, touched the orange line. On Wednesday we've got this red, pink here, right, and that move's gone down again there, and again that, you know, if you correlate that with the touch on the weekly orange line, you are talking a 200 pip move. Okay, so there were two really good trending trades last week. Alright, just using they touch on the, you know, the trend, they touch on the orange line, and correlating it with a daily signal. All right, guys. Just one other thing while I'm on. To say that the orange line and the, you know, the lines are important is an understatement. Okay. Let's look here on the GU. You can see on the weekly, look, it's touched the orange line, massive uptrend at that point, and it's just shot up. Okay, even here when you've had this reversal system, look, it's just pierced the orange line, and then look, no candle to the upside, but the trend has just violently took it up. All right. Even when it comes through, like here, it's come off the you know, the BB band here, and it's just took it up again. And this one here, this week's, well, it's straight off the orange line again. Let's correlate them with up here. There's your, you know, off the BB band there, up, it's gone through, come back down. This time it's off the yellow line, gone up. This one's off the orange line, gone up. It's come down again here, off the orange line, come down again. Look at this here on the daily there, up off the orange line. All right. You know, to say these bounces are incredible is the lines are important is, as I say, an understatement. Okay, just one more thing while I'm here. Excuse me. There is a perfect setup here. You've had this GBP Swissy going up here. Okay, it was a bit messy to start with, but then that's 3 weeks. That was a 500 pip move. This here, blue, red, pink, yellow, if you like, that is the perfect reversal setup. Okay, that's the best way to use blues. And well, if you look at that move, that's, I think that is the start of the 600 pip move. Yeah, it is. Sorry, the 500 pip move. And if you look there, there isn't a single red candle all the way up until you know, you start getting these blues again here, and then it reversing there. Okay, sorry about that, guys, but one of my trades was an alert, a price alert on one of my trades has come in. Okay, I can't believe that happened. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to do a weekly review if you guys are okay with it. I think MT will be alright with it, so I'll do it every week, and you know, just get your head down and start trading these LTs. Very, very profitable. Alright.